Hi, Irene here. I just wanted to do this quick video on how you can get your Facebook Live link so that you could share it with either your email or somewhere else, some other social media. You want to share the Facebook Live that you did, and it helps to. It's real quick. It's very easy. So anyway, I'm at my home page on my Facebook page, and this is the Facebook Live that I want to share with my email. Um, so I just click on, see with the date here? I click on this date. Just shut this off. And then when this comes up, you're going to click on this date again. And it may take a while to come up. Actually, I think if I pull it up in a different link, I think it comes up faster. Here it comes. So this here is the link. Just copy that. Open up a new browser window. Paste. And there it is. It's really quite simple, fast, easy. Someone showed me how to do it, so I just thought I'd pass it on. Really quite simple. So I hope this was helpful to you. And until my next video, I'll see you soon. Over and out.